Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
December 10 has come, and there's something rotten in the state of, well, whatever country this is produced in. So the calendar actually had a clue today that was to look for the Queen's crown in the Lost and Found. And look, it's there, obviously. And what happens? It's number 11. So not working at all. Anyway, so I'm gonna take number 11's beer today and ignore that it's December 10. So this is Darcy, a British beer. A bit darker than the other ones so far. It's perfectly fine. It says extra special bitter. I'm not bitter, and I don't see what's so extra special either, but it's a good beer.